Love, exciting and new. Come aboard. They're expecting you. Oh, love won't hurt anymore. Something else. Something back to you. It's love mode. I'm doing a video, dude. You want to be live? I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm going to make fun of you for 20 minutes.
I would make fun of me. Something's losing his shit over the right now.
Good.
And then he's losing it, man. He's constantly freaking the fuck out.
Good. I'll see it. I hear him. I hear him. Everybody's losing their fucking minds today. It's insane. I just went completely off on my whole community because I set a trade up today and I was like, listen, if this trade doesn't work, I'll give everybody $1,000. It was the Alibaba breaking 108.50 and then 109.79. I said, I guarantee it goes to at least 110. And if you get 110, you'll get 112. If you 112.50, if you get 112.50, you go into 115, and that's where you should sell it all. Stock fucking went to 117, 118. And these people are sitting there going, I don't understand. I didn't hear you tell me to buy it. Aren't you supposed to come to my house, push the button for me, then push it again, and I just watch the money show up in my account? No, that's not how it works. I do everything else but that. I say where to buy it, where it should go, and where, if it doesn't work, where you should sell it for a loss. That's as much as I can do. We've had now 69 trades this week. One loss. But I've got guys that went 0 for 20, 0 for 100. They're just not getting it. It's one line. It's one line on the chart. I'd love to pretend that it's more complicated than that. It's not. That's my whole point since 2007. This shit doesn't have to be as difficult as they try to make it. The manipulation and the scumbags in the industry try to pretend that it's so hard and confusing and that you need them. For what? So they can tell you to keep buying? That's why I love bear markets, man. Because now the truth comes out. Nobody knows what they're talking about. But in a bull market, when you go up every day, it seems like they do. If they put a buy recommendation on stock and it goes up, they seem like they knew what they were talking about. It's a coincidence. All ships are rising. It's hard to be wrong and long in a bull market. But then finally, some volatility shows up and everybody seems to be clueless. This is the best year I've had in 20 years. Why? Because all I do is trade VWAP. 69 trades this week. Every single one was a winner except for a 8-cent loss on GovX. Where's my friend that wants me to take every trade? I've taken every trade. You feel better now? Every single one. I took every single one. And I'm in love right now. Love. Exciting and new. Why'd you buy? Because it's going up. That's why. I don't need another reason. Why are you buying it? Because it's going up. And it broke VWAP. I don't need another reason. It reported earnings. It's breaking VWAP. I'm in. It got to the multi-day VWAP. I sell half. It breaks the multi-day VWAP. I start selling in half number increments. So if we're in from 31.50, we sold at 32.50. Most of it is done at 34. And now we've overshot to the upside. There's zero reason to get out of what we have left. So now we milk the rest of this trade and hopefully it goes to 40. Love. Exciting and new, it's hitting highs. Hopefully it keeps going to the Love Boat. We traded Husa today. You guys watch Husa? I'm trying to explain. This guy's like, why? I thought you said it's a shitty stock. I know, but I don't care what they do or how shitty it is. It's breaking VWAP and it's breaking a whole number. I'm buying it. But you just said it's really not a real company. I don't care. It's letters and numbers. If the letters and numbers and the VWAP tells me it's probably going to go higher, I'm going to buy it. I'm not an investor in Husa. Husa the fuck knows what this company is. Husa fucking cares. It's Husa at 645. I'm in. Husa breaks 7. I'm in. Husa hits 7.25. I sell. Husa hits 750. I sell. Husa hits 775. I sell. Husa wants some more of this. Husa? Husa what? Husa the fuck knows exactly. The fuck is Husa? Every stock's exact. If you could tell me the difference between Husa, Redbox, Stone, Veru, Sega, it's all the same. It's one big shit show, and you just go with what's moving. You think I want to buy Alibaba? That's 3 times the stock has hit 80 and it's bounced 40 points. I'm in. I want a part of that 40-point bounce. You think I'm going to invest in Alibaba? The company is a fucking money laundering child pornography website. And they're from China. Nobody wants to own this shit. But it triple bottoms at 80, starts to go up. You buy that fucker. And the next day, you don't have to hold it overnight. Alibaba was a beautiful buy this morning. No overnights needed. This guy's we are losing our minds today. Seriously. By the way, we're back in AERC right now. Right now. There you go. This thing doesn't want to die either. We just bought it. We're back in. We're back in. 1031 AERC with a 1020 stop and a 1009 stop. Let's go. You go. Do you know about this AERC? I bet you there's 16 YouTubers out there who made fancy little bullshit, like, what are those called? Thumbnails, right? With their fancy thumbnails, right? And they put their stock of the day on their thumbnail, and everybody goes there to talk about. They don't know shit. I was in the stock at $2. I bet you they're all talking about it now. Do you know that this stock only has 4.5 million shares in the float? Do you even know what that means? There's 4.5 million shares in the float. The stock traded 180 million shares yesterday. There's only 4.5 million shares in existence. The stock traded 180 million. It's got 60 million traded today. That means the entire float is changing hands 8 times today. This stock might go to 1,000. If it doesn't die in the next couple of days, AERC could be going back. This could be $20, $30, $50, $100. And I say this in all sincerity. It could go to 100. It could also be at 0 12 days from now. Because stocks that have 4.5 million shares in the float that have rallied from $2 to 1750, usually those are pump and dumps. But man, oh man, this thing keeps getting pumped. So a couple of more pumps, it's going to break out, and every fucking person on earth is going to want to own this thing. But I definitely wouldn't own it. 4 o'clock bell, or actually the 8 p.m. bell, you better not be in these things. Like Sega and Veru and Redbox. I mean, these names, take a look at these names right here. SIGA, BERU, AERC. We got HUSA, H-U-S-A. I'm still loving my Stone. That one's not a volatile name. Stone. And BTU was pretty awesome. How about the NVAX short today? It's phenomenal. Well, that didn't work. I just lost 180 bucks. Well, that sucked. Why am I trading at 2:08 in the afternoon? Like I'm asking to lose money. That's what that was. Fantastic. Well, that sucked. And by the way, that sucked, but I'm also going to buy it again if it gives me a reason later. And that reason will be 1061. I'll put my alert on it. I'd rather buy it if it breaks out. That was a false break. Quickly got annihilated. Yeah, well, what, you're not going to make money on every trade? What? Can't keep winning. Especially, why am I doing this trade at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Just a glutton. Freaking degenerate. Did I just get stopped? At least I only lost 100 and something bucks. You know what? I should buy it back right now. I'm in. I'm buying it back. Right there, 1006. I'm in again. 1006 with a 92 stop. I'll risk the extra. I'll risk 20 cents again. At least I'm buying it off the lows. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. 86. What's the bottom of that tick? Right there. 87. I can't see too well. Hang on a second. The bottom of the last candle. 990 and 986. Yeah. All right. Those are my stops. If it doesn't break 1010 here, actually, I'd be pretty pissed off. It should break 1010 right here. Except all rules stink at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This is why I'm normally outside listening to music or doing anything but trading. Why am I doing this? All right. Now we got some size on. If it doesn't break 1010, I'm bailing. If it doesn't break 1010, I'm bailing. It better break 1010 right now. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Got to get 1010. 1010. 1010 going once. 1010 going twice. 1010. You son of a bitch. Really? Break it. I really hate trading at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You get these bullshit moves, man. Bullshit moves. Come on, man. Couldn't even get a dime out of it. Stay tuned. 1010. What's up, yo? The Qs stink. Had one short, and that's about it. But the premiums now are getting exciting because of this tight range we've been in, the QQQ option trades, they're getting cheaper now. I'm looking at the 309s for later today, if it can consolidate down here and make another move. But I am done trading the afternoons. I am kicking the shit out of this market lately, all between 8 and 11:30. And that's where I live. I don't have to trade the afternoon, nor I shouldn't even be here. I really shouldn't even be here because 9 out of 10 days I lose money in the afternoon. And when it comes to trading, usually you know your mistake. What's my mistake? Trading in the afternoon. What's my mistake? Trading the afternoon. Trading in the aftermarket. If I just stopped trading the afternoon and trading in the aftermarket, I'd be $30 million richer. Seriously, how much money I've lost trading the afternoon and trading the aftermarket. It's ridiculous. And that's the simplest thing about trading. I think if I polled everybody that's ever traded, they know exactly what they're doing wrong. I call it the makeup trade. The guru guy would know about what the makeup trade is. What's the makeup trade? The makeup trade, right, is I look at this Alibaba and I made $240 on it. I should have made $5,000. I look at the NVAX trade. I made $200. I should have made $6,000. I look at the QQQ trade that I completely missed. I should have made $2,000. And you know what happens? I go fucking nuts. And I think to myself, let me do a couple of trades to try to make up for what I should have made. That is the worst reason to trade. That's a borderline fear of missing out. Plus, I'm usually looking at these ideas after all the good shit has happened. Another bad reason to trade. So my problem is I have the fear of missing out, but it's I call it the makeup trade, because now I gotta try to make up for the money that I didn't make on the trades that I should have made more on. And you know what I am? A moron. You just got to suck it up, Buttercup. Stop pushing the issue, because I'm about to lose another $80 on AERC. You stupid bastard. You see? And then you chip away at a day that was over 4 hours ago, right? As I'm sitting here, I just lost $200 trading this stock. I mean, granted, I'm in the other one that's making money, but quitting while you're ahead isn't quitting, Frank. What movie? Quitting while you're ahead isn't really quitting, Frank. My man. My man. You know a movie. Anyway, more importantly, look what I got. Oh, shit. Did you know that they put out these Mego kind of replicas? They did the entire Legion of Doom, even the ape guy, Bizarro. They got the Scarecrow, Cheetah. They got the Riddler. Ooh. By the way, if you want to know what I spend all my millions on, comics and toys. Grateful Dead comic set. Look at these bad boys. Ooh, the Grateful Dead I didn't even know there was a Grateful Dead comic series. Just happened to see this. Went out immediately and bought it. And by the way, where are my... Wait a second. We're still in. It's not a loss yet, kids. Come on, baby. Break 10-10, you bastard. By the way, I know there's like 75 channels on YouTube about silver. Let's have this conversation. That's right, you motherfucker, yeah! Now, go up! Love Sack, we're back in business. If it doesn't go 10-15 bid, I'm going to punch this stock right in the face. Love Sack, baby. Love Sack, and I got AERC. We almost got stopped out. Oh, how did it break 10-10 and not have any follow through? I'll tell you how. Because trading at 2:17 in the afternoon stinks. That's how. You finally get the move and it still goes nowhere. Yes! But back to this question. My silver gurus, right? You told me to buy silver last year. You told me to buy it last year, the year before that, the year before that. I've been buying silver for 12 years. What has it got me? Zippo. I've been dollar cost averaging, buying the dip. What happened, silver guy? What happened? What happened, silver stacker guy? What happened, Gregory? What happened, commodity guy? What happened? Here's the inflation. You said if the market crashed and inflation came back, I would be rich. I am not rich. I'm sitting on $40,000 of silver coins that are worth exactly what I paid for them, maybe less. You have let me down, YouTube. You have let me down, silver stacker community. I've been buying the fuck out of these things. I got more. I don't even know what to do. Who wants some? I got silver up the ass. I got silver bullets. I got silver dice. I got a silver cock ring. I got bags and bags of freaking silver. Here's the market. The market crashed. Here's your inflation. How come silver's not at 50? Come on, Tom Nash. Give me another winning trade. Am I the only person on YouTube that knows what the fuck I'm talking about? Apparently you stupid motherfucker. Now we lost money, you dumb fuck. Listen, next time I come on and you see me trading at 2 o'clock in the morning, come to my house and beat the shit out of me. I just threw away $200 for what? Well, at least I got stopped out at a good price. Whoa. The hell am I doing? Stock just punched me right in the fotch. Shouldn't even be in these things. You know what? I'm selling Lovesack right here. 36.11 out. 36.17 out. I'm flat. Goodbye, market. Where's my freaking hedge? You see what just happened to me? You think what I say, everything I say is important, man. There's a reason you shouldn't trade between 12 and 2:30. It sucks. 9 out of 10. When something is 90%, I don't care that 10% works. The 90% will eventually get you. Like aftermarket trading. Aftermarket trading, for some reason, wasn't as bad as it normally was for a couple of weeks. And then I dipped my toe and I got fucking annihilated on Lyft that day. I haven't lost $5,000 in a day in a decade. But I tried to trade aftermarket on Lyft on the day they reported earnings. They went $5,000 out the window. Here's an idea. Don't trade the aftermarket.
You see, if something doesn't work 90% of the time, you should just avoid it. Because inevitably the odds will get you. You see, that's why it's called trend. When 90% of the time something doesn't work, leave it the fuck alone. If something works 90% of the time, stick with that. Because the odds always come back. And if you find yourself losing money almost every time you try something, maybe you should stop trying.
Oh, AERC. Yeah. Oh my God. This stock, I'm telling you, it'll be $1 or it's going to 100. But if it breaks out again, I'm buying it back. This is the kind of stock. Again, I'm still good. I'm still 8 for 10 on this name. I would not be surprised to see it at $15 at the end of the day. And I also wouldn't be surprised to see it at $2. That's what's great about it. I wish I could short it. But I made a real great choice. Sold my Alibaba to start going back into AERC. That was a wise choice. Look at Alibaba now. Yeah, freaking hump. Wow. So, people, before I spontaneously combust one day and just have a freaking conniption or an explosion of my skull, tomorrow night, be there. It's Thursday again. These weeks are flying by. They're flying by. Not answering the phone anymore. These weeks are flying by. You know what's going to happen soon? Earnings season's coming again. It seems like it's never gone, right? Earnings season. July 11th, 12th. We start again. Get to know what the heck you're doing and start coming to the room. This is going to be, again, one of the most important earnings seasons ever. We've crashed. Now we'll see who's making money and who's not making money and who's going to survive the next leg down or that's going to prosper for the next leg up. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. You all right? I'm all right. You all right? Yeah. Be careful out there, people. Yeah, we can't go near it now. I got to see it wash out. I'd rather buy it on the way back up than try to catch the fallen knife here. Woo! I know, man. All you do is hodl? No, you don't. GameStop was phenomenal the last couple of days. So was AMC. Not to own. All right. Let me go take care of family business. You guys are into sending good vibes. Big Al's not feeling well. That's my dad. If you do, you don't have to send prayers. I don't like even saying that. Thoughts and prayers and all that shit. No, send vibes. Good vibes, man. We're in the Matrix. It's about vibes. I'll see you in the morning. All right? Be careful out there. Dan Tootin. Darn Tootin. You want some silver dice? How about a silver shark, man? Check this out. I got 1,000 of these. You want them? Want one? You're part of the website? Check this out. Well, this one's all beat up, but you put a shark on a silver coin, I'm in. Need one? Come to the website. We'll play some trivia tomorrow. Yeah, I got a plenty of these. And I bought these little mini. Check these out. These are half ounce. I wish. Half ounce. I said it right. I was going to say half a gram. Check these out. Whoop. Mini Morgans, half ounce, and these are shark half ounce ones. Pretty sweet. All right, what are we doing? We're running, right? I'm going outside. I'm going to get some sun. I'll see you guys in cyberspace, and then I'll see you in hell. Ah! Broke my streak right here. I was having the greatest freaking 3 days. I come on YouTube, I lose money. Well, then again, made money on one, lost on the other. All right, my wife's bitching and moaning about something. They go, no, I got other ones. Yeah, I got plenty. Who wants one? Who wants some? Come on, YouTube. I'm freaking buying silver. You promised me I'd be able to put my kids through college with all this crap. You lied. I hate you. Yeah, half ounce silver coins, man. Yeah, they're pretty cool. You know what else I bought? This. 5 ounces. I'll crack you in the skull with it. So at least if it's never worth anything. I could peg you in the Armageddon. This would be a nice weapon. 5 ounces, man. I got a 10-ounce brick. I'll beat you over the head with it, too. What the hell's going on? Why am I still here? Shit. What else did I get recently? I got something else. What did I buy? I don't even know anymore. I just keep pressing buttons. Shit starts showing up at my house. All right, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you're here tomorrow night. We're going to get drunk off our asses. All right? I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, we'll burn one tomorrow. I don't smoke during the day. I don't drink during the day. I don't smoke during the day. I'm really not that fun on vacations. I don't know how people drink in the blazing sun. I smoke or I drink during the day and the sun's hitting my bald head. I'm dying. And then I'm ruined all night when I want to go out when my wife goes to sleep. See, that's vacation. My wife goes to sleep. I go out. Woo! I love vacation. But you can't do that if you've been drinking all day. I don't like day drinking. Never did. Can't do it. Can't smoke weed. And I'm a pothead. You smoke pot in the middle of the day, I'm ruined. I'm high for 20 minutes and I'm just like, I'm like all hungover. It's like a pot funk. Anyway, by the way, if you're becoming a pothead, just don't smoke weed during the day. I'm telling you, I've been smoking weed since I was 17. I've made it this far. I haven't smoked weed during the day, maybe once a year, if that. I just don't, again, everything's about moderation, except cocaine. Stay away from that shit, kids. Don't do anything that could be laced with fentanyl. Don't do a drug where you might die. Smoke weed. You can't OD. I've tried. All right? Trust me. You can't OD from weed. I've tried hard. Anybody who needs some edibles, speaking of trying to OD, I got so much of this crap, they don't work. They don't work. I need 98% THC concentrates now. Give me I went into the dispensary in Vegas. I was like, what's the most lethal weed product you have? Something that people are like, oh my God, I can't smoke any more of this. That's what I want. And she gave me live resin. Live resin. It's like 98% pure THC. You take 2 hits, you feel like you're... I'm like drooling and laughing at the same time. It's fantastic. It's my little weed tip for you guys out there. If you're still smoking weed, live resin. I don't know what it is, but it's fantastic. Woo! And if you don't know, it's basically, shatter. Yeah. Shatter. When you're trying to figure out whether you smoke meth or weed, you're pretty high. Shatter's basically the meth of weed. I don't know if you've smoked it before. It's basically glass, and you cook it up. You feel dirty doing it, but damn, that shit gets you high. Woo! All right, and that's my commentary for today. Don't smoke during the day. Smoke the highest potency shit at night, and then try to fall asleep. Good luck. Have a nice day, everybody.